Kipchumba Murkomen today stood side by side with High Court Judge Chemitei at the grand opening of a privately owned mall in Eldoret. Now, what looked like a celebration of investment has now ignited sharp debate, raising questions of conflict of interest, constitutional boundaries, and the delicate doctrine of separation of powers. Munene John reports.
What looked like a routine ribbon cutting in Eldoret is now raising eyebrows. Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen, presiding over the launch of a mall said to belong to High Court Judge Chemitei. The ceremony raising questions about constitutional boundaries, conflict of interest, and the delicate doctrine of separation of powers. Kenya's constitution rests on the doctrine of separation of powers, where the executive implements policy and the judiciary interprets the law, including disputes involving the executive itself. CS Kipchumba Murkomen, a senior figure in the executive, oversees internal security and national administration, portfolios often subjected to judicial scrutiny. Justice Chemitei, meanwhile, serves within the judiciary, bound by strict codes of conduct to safeguard impartiality. The optics of the event have stirred debate. While public officers are not barred from private investments, ethical standards demand they avoid situations that may create perceived or actual conflicts of interest. Judicial officers must uphold impartiality, while cabinet secretaries are expected to steer clear of engagements that could compromise their duties. The scrutiny is heightened by Murkomen's past brush with conflict of interest allegations during the 2015-16 National Youth Service scandal, when his law firm was linked to funds from a company later tied to fraud. He denied wrongdoing, was never charged, and courts cleared him.
Judge, I was so impressed, extremely impressed by the fact that your son is part and parcel of your business. Involving our families as young as these young men is part of sustainability of the business as we grow.
Even without proven misconduct, the perception of undue proximity between powerful state offices can erode public confidence. In a constitutional democracy, legitimacy depends not only on legality, but also on visible neutrality, making institutional boundaries as vital as the authority itself. Munene John, TV 47, Nairobi.